The Quickcheck SRB detection system is a rapid enzyme immunoassay method that detects sulfate-reducing bacteria, or SRB. The test employs purified antibodies to detect the enzyme adenosine 5-phosphosulfonate, APS reductase, which is common to all strains of SRB. The Quickcheck SRB detection system is completely self-contained and disposable and includes all necessary materials to detect and enumerate SRB. There is no need for pre-treatment or dilution of samples, and there are no hazardous waste disposal limitations. This system is also compliant with the new ASTM standard D8243-19. The Quickcheck SRB detection system can test multiple samples simultaneously and provides accurate results in 8 to 10 minutes. The kit allows testing of solid and semi-solid samples and detects all viable and non-viable SRB, including samples that are unable to grow in some standard media. The test results are not compromised by chemical or salinity interferences that are often found in field samples. To begin using the Quickcheck SRB kit, simply rehydrate the chemical lysing reagent. The lysing reagent bottle has a very tiny ring on the bottle. It is not empty. Collect the sample. Turn the bottle upside down and shake to suspend all filtration medium. Keep inverted for 15 seconds. Squeeze the bottle gently to expel liquid to waste, being careful not to release hand pressure, as this will cause air to rush into the bottle and may result in a loss of bacteria. If the bottle is squeezed too hard, liquid may escape through the sides of the cap. Remove the filter cap and attach to the wash bottle. Wash sample by squeezing the bottle, expelling the liquid to waste. Remove the filter cap and attach to lysing reagent bottle. Flick the bottle to dislodge the filter cake and turn bottle upright to allow filter cake to fall into lysing reagent. Mix well but avoid foaming. Allow 2-minute incubation. During incubation, remove filter cap and discard. Snap the small final filter onto lysing bottle. Squeeze 10 to 20 drops of liquid into immunoreagent vial until the foam appears at the filter, without allowing the foam to get into the vial. Mix liquid in vial and allow to incubate for 2 minutes. Pour contents of immunoreagent vial onto test membrane device and wait until all liquid is absorbed through the membrane. Squeeze wash solution onto test membrane device and wait until all liquid is absorbed through the membrane. Squeeze chromogen liquid onto test membrane device. Immediately begin timer according to the following: 60 to 69 degrees Fahrenheit, 15-minute incubation. 70 to 79 degrees Fahrenheit, 10-minute incubation. 80 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit, 8-minute incubation. 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 6-minute incubation. Squeeze 10 drops of stop solution onto the membrane to stop the color development. Refrigerate if long-term storage of development is needed. Match the membrane color to the color card provided in the kit to reveal results. The Quickcheck SRB detection system is disposable, completely self-contained, and includes all necessary materials to detect and enumerate SRB. This system is compliant with the new ASTM standard D8243-19 and provides accurate results in less than 10 minutes.